Guys, never ever tamper with fire alarms. You know that fires are very serious. People can die because of them. And fire alarms are the devices that can save people's lives because they alert people to get out of the building immediately and get out to safety, and lives are saved. So do not mess with them. These things reduce the amount of fire fatalities in this country every year because these things give people early warning that there is a fire and get out to safety. So this thing saves lives. So do not mess with these things. Bye.